Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, March 3rd, 2026. You're in the live trading room. Hope you all had a good afternoon and evening yesterday. Here's yesterday's charts. Ended up taking 8 trades yesterday. Took a couple more trades after the session, but 8 trades for plus 89. Um, we just had one negative trade. Trade two was a negative trade, but everything else was positive yesterday. So that's how we ended up. Um, Q closed at 607.97 yesterday, but dove in overnight and is way down to 596.10. So we do have a gap play, and let's see where the gap is going to be. Or the trigger and fill is going to be at 597.98. So let's write that down. 597.98 will be the gap fill and trigger. Let's head back up to real time. 597.98, 596.09. So got almost $2 that it needs to rise to get there. Get rid of something. Going over to the option chain, we are in the third today. We've got over 4,195,000 already traded in pre-market volume. It's a lot of pre-market volume. You can see that the strikes are way out of balance right now. And we've got to figure in all that pre-market volume into the strike prices uh, to, to to get accurate pricing. So we'll find out what strikes we're going to use once we get all that figured in. All right, let's let Mr. Mark Hughes in. And today is Tuesday the 3rd. We've got 9:55. The New York Fed President John Williams will be speaking. 10:10. Kansas City Fed President Jeff Schmidt speaks. And then 11:55. Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari interview. So none of that really is a big deal for the markets. Um, we'll see what happens, but that's all we have on economic reports and speakers for today. Let's head back over to the four-way charts, get these centered. That up. There we go. And like so. Okay, got those centered. Just a reminder to have set your charts up so there's 20 cents between each hash mark on all your charts, so you're looking at the same size candles each day. Doesn't have to be 20 cents. It can be 30 cents, 10 cents, 50 cents, just as long as it's the same every day so that you're looking at the same size candles from day to day. That's important. Okay, we're coming up on 40 seconds. There it is. Let's make it a good day today. There's 30 seconds. Of course, Keith is still out. He'll be running the room tomorrow. I've got to be out tomorrow, but Keith will be here tomorrow doing things. There's 15 seconds. All right, stand by. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the bell. We are in. All right. That price coming up a little bit. Let's see what's going on the broader indices. We've got, wow, Dow is down by 876. NASDAQ down by 456, S&P down by 112. Extremely down broader markets. All right, so we've got all that pre-market volume figured in. So I'll be at the 595 on the call side and the 600 on the put side. We're getting an early push up here. Price kind of bouncing around here a little bit. Both MACDs are in the call bias position. Markets are reacting negatively to the rise in gas prices and general concern about the Middle East. Price slowly coming back down after that initial push up on minute one. All volume is way above 100,000 so far. We're up to 7 million already traded on the underlying asset. Price slowly declining. Bouncing through VWAP. So I'm going to keep an eye on the 599 on the put side. 599 on the put side. Got our 1 minute is crossed over to the put bias side. May not stay there long. We're bouncing back up. That price climbing again. All right, I'm going to go over to the 595 on the call side. Just keep an eye on it. All right, 595 on the call side. Stand by. I'm going to move down to the 596 on the call side. And are we already turning here? Go over to the put side real quick. I'm going to be at the 602 on the put side just in case. If this should turn real quickly, we may try to scalp it. All right, 602 on the put side. Stand by. I'm going to enter this 602 in at 514. All right, stand by to take profit. Let's go ahead and take profit here. Out at 584. Wow. 514 to 584. I'm going to go back to the 601 on the put side, 601 strike put. See if it bounces off of VWAP here. We got into that put just at the right time, just before a nice push down. All right, we can put a demand zone on the bottom here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Price came down to the demand zone and trying to bounce off of it, heading back up. If we do end up turn back around, I'm going to be at the 594 on the call side if this turns around. Wow, Dow's now down over 1,000, 1,032, Nas down 545, S&P down 131. Let's go back to the put side to the 599 on the put side. Kind of expecting this to turn around here simply because it's near the bottom of its local range. We can put a supply zone in on the top here as well. We'll get to that. Got over 12,400,000 traded on the underlying. We're just 15 minutes into the session. Lots of volume. Okay, let's head back over to the call side, to the 594 on the call side. Stand by. All right, let's go ahead and enter this 594 in at 512 and stand by to take profit. Let's go ahead and take some profit here out at 532. Price reversing. Price has reached down to VWAP and it's breaking through VWAP. Price trying to break through the demand zone. All right, let's go over to the put side to the 599 on the put side. Getting a rebound here from this low.
You got a supply zone when you want it.
Say again, Larry?
You got a supply zone ready if you're ready.
Oh, I mean a demand zone?
I'm in a supply zone.
Yeah, I've got one on top.
Oh, you do already? Okay.
Yeah,
Yep. All right. Didn't see it.
it was hidden. Wow. Dow is down by 1,061, Nas down by 470, S&P down by 136. Price just hanging out near the demand zone. And we may get a new demand zone here in a minute. Price slowly rising. Bouncing off of VWAP. 'Let's see if we're going to go into some consolidation here. 16 million traded on the underlying. A little under 5 minutes away from the pop at the top if we have one. Still looking at the 599 on the put side, if this should break. Trying to break down. It's coming down now, just very slowly. All right. Still looking at the 599 on the put side. Stand by. I'm going to go ahead and get into this 599. Filled at 520. Right before the pop. I wasn't paying attention. Got into it before the pop. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Here comes the pop. Ah, come on back down. Come on back down. Come on down. Now, I stayed in this one because there's so much down pressure on the broader markets. Come on down. Come on. Yeah, come on down. Come down. Come on.
You got back loose in that put, did you not, Tim?
Get what?
You got loose in that, didn't you? And didn't
Yeah.
take it,
Yep.
didn't want it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it next time it comes down.
You want all the cheese,
Yeah, just enough to be profitable.
a few pennies.
Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Sorry, guys, had to take a call there. Price coming down. Come on down. I want to get out of this put.
Did you say you got into a call?
No, I was on a call. A
That's a
phone.
different
I
thing.
got on a phone call.
That is different.
That is different. Yeah. Come on, let's break out of this range here. Come on down. Well, our volume's up to 22,400,000 traded on the underlying. That's just tremendous volume. You can see everything is well over 100,000 a minute. A lot of trading going on out there today.
This could pretty easily be 100 million day, don't you think?
Yeah, yeah, I expect it will be.
Don't have those every day.
No, no, they're kind of rare. All right, stand by to take profit. No, hold on. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take profit now and out at 549. Just took a while to get there. Got a nice little push on that out. Now watch it drop like a rock.
Where were you in that one at?
I was in at 520. See, now it's finally picked some direction. It's heading down. Dow is down 1,167. Nas is down by 528. S&P down by 152. That's the exact reason why I stayed in that put so long. It was just a matter of time before it would break down. When you have that much down pressure on the broader markets, it starts to affect Q. Now, let's get caught up on some zones here. Put a new zone in here. Wow. Should have stayed in that one a little longer, shouldn't I? All right, I'm going to head back to, let's see, we'll go to the 597 this time on the put side. 597 strike put. I got three trades up 119. Let's see here. I'm going to move to the 596 on the put side. 596. Stand by. Let's go ahead and get into this trade. 436. All right, stand by to take profit. Let's go ahead and take some profit here. Out at 459. Caught it just before that reversal. It'll still come down. Come on down. Wow. Still coming down. So let's head back to the 595, unless you're still in that put trade. Our 1 minute MACD is already down to negative 1.4. It's getting really low in the case. It's getting into that territory where we can expect some sort of turnaround. So I'm going to hold off on getting into another put here for a bit. I'd like to see it reverse for a bit and then continue back down. Dow is down 1,253 now. Nas is down 617. S&P is down 169. This is almost like shooting fish in the barrel today. And there's the turnaround that I've been expecting. Let's see where this goes. It may not go very far, but it may reset our 1 minute MACD, which is about to cross. See, that's exactly the reason I didn't get into another put trade.
It's funny how everyone says when a stock drops, it always drops faster than it goes up. But I feel like with QQQ,
Mm-hmm.
the reversals to the upside are seem faster to me usually.
They certainly are today. But sorry about that. Yeah, it does seem like the upsides are faster than the downside moves.
Like yesterday, that move to the upside, that was so fast,
Yeah,
huge.
yeah, yeah, it was whiplash. Let's see if that's all we're going to get on this upside move. But it is resetting the 1 minute, so that's good. All right, we're a little over an hour in. We've got 30 million already traded on the underlying. We usually run about half that about this time. Dow is down 1201, Nas is down 571, S&P is down 157. Not looking for a call trade at this point. I've got four trades up 142 today. All right, you'll excuse me for a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. We've got price going up here a little bit, and we can put in a new demand zone on the bottom here. Turn a couple of these intermediate zones into minor zones here.
You make a distinction between an intermediate zone and a minor zone.
No, they're the same thing.
Ah,
When you watch the broader markets, how do you what are you using to keep an eye on that? Just put them on a watch list?
No, I've got it's part of Schwab. Schwab publishes the if you have an account with Schwab, as probably everyone does. If you log into your account, they track the broader indices. So I just pull the numbers from them
So off the website,
off the website.
and then where where at, excuse me.
It's at the bottom of the page.
Gotcha. Oh, I see. Okay.
Seeing
Sweet.
down
Take
there.
it. Yep. I see
Yeah.
it.
So price slowly climbing. The 1 minute MACD is already back to center line, back to zero. 5 minute MACD is finally converging back up toward the control line. Yeah, price still rising. Actually surprised it is reversed this far. That was a tremendous sell-off we've had this morning. Right, price reversing back down. That may be it for that call run. got 33,260,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is down 1115, Nas down 562, S&P down 154. Price reversing again, back up. So we got just price bouncing around in a fairly tight range, at least comparatively. I don't think we've seen the last of the sell-off today, though. Got our 1 minute MACD just crossing to the put bias position. So I'm going to go over to the 595 on the put side and just watch it. If price breaks through the current demand zone down below, we may look at another put trade. Price is bouncing right back up. Got this since 1040, this lower lows, lower highs pattern going. Price heading toward the demand zone. Trying to anyway. There goes price breaking high. Big reversal.
Tim,
Yes, sir.
the other day we were talking in terms of stop loss
Yeah.
uh, targets and things like that. If you're going to use, say, 30 cents as a stop loss, what would be wrong with starting your opening trades with a 30-cent trailing stop from the get-go?
No, that'd be good. Absolutely.
When you set that thing up, it can be just that, or you can set it up as an OCO
Hmm.
once you're in the trade.
Yep. You
Either
can.
way, then you've got a profit. You can put in a profit target of whatever you want. I don't
Mhm.
remember if you set an OCO with a trailing stop, you cannot move that trailing stop up and down.
No, you can't.
But can you move your profit target up and down?
You can move your profit.
Okay.
You just can't move the stop.
But if you're doing just a regular stop in an OCO, you can move the whole bracket or either leg of it.
Either or. Yep.
Yeah, just a thought.
Yep.
But when you're ready to get out of that very same trade and your position is between your trailing stop and your profit target, probably might be faster just to cancel everything and hit the sell the bid button instead. You think?
You could, or you could just drag your profit target down till it meets the price
Right.
and sell it that way.
You know, I think that actually takes longer.
You think?
I mean, if you've got a where the big buttons are, the buy, the ask, and the sell the bid, I've got a cancel all button there.
Yeah.
And I could just hit that, and whatever orders I've got that are unfilled, it cancels everything right then.
Yep. Yep.
And then I can reach over one button and hit sell the bid, or I,
Yep.
I can go down and place another profit target really close to where the price is at that moment on the active trader ladder.
Yep. Yeah, that's probably faster.
Maybe.
You can give it a shot and see.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we are at the top of the hour. We're going to go ahead and close out this session. It's been a good morning. Ended up four trades up 142 for this morning. Hope you all had a good morning as well. And that's it. I will not see you tomorrow. We'll see you Thursday. Um, Keith will be in the room tomorrow calling trades, and I will see you all on Thursday. So have a good day. And Carlos, we've got a call tomorrow afternoon. So just use the same Zoom link as the morning call, and we'll see you then. All right, guys, have a great afternoon. Have a good evening. Stay warm, and I'll see you Thursday. Bye bye.
Thank you.